Hello kids, welcome back to Sonny's Playhouse. Today we got a new gift. Wow, look at this. It looks pretty different, but we can't start it yet. So to start this, we have to match the colors. Let's see. Is it blue? Is it red? Or is it light purple? And this red thing. What color is this, guys? This is red. Repeat after me, red. Okay, so is this red? Nope. Is this red? Or is this red? I'll give you a second to think, guys. This is red, the middle one. Okay, perfect. We can keep this one right here. Perfect. Now, let's see. Is there any more red things here? Red? Nope. Red? Nope. Ooh, what's this? I think this is red. Alright, so we have how many red things? 1, 2, and the marker 3. Yay! Oh, okay, I think the marker doesn't want to be with us right now. Okay, now let's see if we can start this. Beep, boop. Ooh, it doesn't want to start right now. I think we need Nemo for the next episode. Okay, we'll start it up in the next episode for you kids. Alright, stay tuned. Bye-bye.